Hello everyone. You all might have come across people handling multiple sites at once and must have had these questions in your head like how are these sites handled? Are these multiple versions of WordPress installed on their site? How are e-commerce based sites with WooCommerce configured? Thus, to answer all those questions in today's video, let's take a look at what is WordPress Multisite and how to set it up. I'm Aparna Singh from LearnWoo and let's get started. Well, before we jump to the tutorial, let's first know what is a WordPress multi-site. Well, WordPress multi-site allows users to create multiple related sites with a single WordPress installation. Now, you can create any number of child sites with either a subdirectory or a subdomain. Multi-sites are mostly used to create a centralized system to manage multiple sites at once. Now, that is by a super admin who has the control over the plugins and the themes to be installed on the site. Well, if you have a blog, e-commerce store or other related sites, multi-site will help you to save time and resources as you don't need multiple installations of WordPress. Also, when you want to take a backup of the site, you can store all the data in a single backup for your child sites instead of making backing data of each site. Since now you know what a multi-site is, let's now move to how to create a WordPress multi-site. Although creating a WordPress multi-site does involve handling code snippets, the steps are simple enough to be understood by any non-technical folks. Assuming that you have already downloaded and installed WordPress, let's move to the next step, which is to allow multi-site in the wp-config.php file. However, if you have not downloaded and installed WordPress, you can refer to an article mentioned in the description that will give you a step-by-step method on how to install WordPress. Now, to allow multi-site in the wp-config.php file, open the wp-config.php file for editing. This file resides in your website's home folder. Add the code snippet mentioned in the description just before the line reading. That's all. Stop editing. Happy blogging. In the next step, let's configure WordPress network settings. From the WordPress sidebar menu, go to Tools, Network Setup. Now here you are provided with code snippets that need to be added to separate files on your site. First, you need to add the first code snippet above the line, that's all, stop editing, happy publishing, to the same wp-config.php file. Once done, save the file. Below in the description, I have mentioned a link to a video that will give you a better understanding of how to edit WordPress source code. Now the next step is to configure network administrator settings. For that, log in, go to My Site's logo on the top left corner of the page. It will list the network admin site and all the child sites that you have created. The network admin site is a permanent feature to help super admins access easily and configure changes to all the sites. Now, if you hover over one of your child sites, you can see the minimal settings that will be accessed by the respective site administrator. Now, to manage all sites, go to My Sites, Network Admin, click Sites. You can see all your child sites under the All Sites dashboard. Next, to add a new site, click on Add New button and provide further details like URL, site title, select site language, and enter the admin email address. Once the settings are done, click on the Add Site button. Now the multi-sites all settings are done. But if you are a WooCommerce store owner, then you must know how to install WooCommerce on WordPress multi-site. Now that's because unlike the traditional plugin installation process in WordPress, plugin installation works differently in multi-site. You can install the plugin only from the network admin dashboard, as the super admin is the user role with the authority to do so. Thus, it is similar process for installing WooCommerce as well. Below in the description, I have mentioned a link to a video that will guide you on how to install WooCommerce on WordPress multi-site. And that's all. This was all about WordPress multi-site and how you can set it up with ease. Do let us know in the comment section if this video was helpful to you. And if you like this video, give a big thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. And don't forget to hit the bell icon to keep getting updates on more such videos. Thank you so much for watching. I'll be signing off and we'll see you in the next video.